And welcome to My Intelligence. I'm here with Kay and Larry to talk about something really interesting, which I'm sure you're going to enjoy. Hey, Kay, have you ever seen the Amazing Man's video about the 10 pickup lines that spark attraction?
I did. Larry got a few notes to use next time he wants to get with the lady monkey.
Really entertaining video. That's why we're inspired to make our own video on the 9 extra terrific pickup lines that spark attraction. And since we want you to fully understand how to attract a girl, at the end of this video, you'll learn the number 1 thing that kills attraction. Let's get started. Number 9. Good thing there aren't any magnets nearby, because you're so attractive. If you want to figure out how to use pickup lines, well, start with something simple like this. This is how you get her to instantly chase you. First, you can walk up to a girl in a bar, and you know she's open to talking to you because she might smile back at you. Casually throw her your best smile, and when she gives you that opening, slide in with a brilliant pickup line, and you'll soon see a smile and giggle coming from her. It will do you a lot of good to get more help on how to get girls, so you should check out this video on the 10 tricks to get girls to chase you and how to get her to instantly chase you.
Number 8. They might ask you to leave soon. You're making all the women look bad. If you're figuring out how to impress a girl, good pickup lines like this are your best bets. Once you've found a groove with the girl you're talking to, casually say this pickup line. She's gonna be confused at first, but once you say the second half, she's gonna melt. If you think she won't mind, you can even whisper this to her so you can get a little closer. She'll smell your cologne and hopefully feel an attraction to your scent, and hopefully your personality.
Number 7. Are you lost? Because heaven is a long way from here. We've heard the angel pickup line once or twice over time, right? This one is a creative variation on one of the best pickup lines to compare a woman to a beautiful and magical angel. You can use this when you see a woman come into a bar or restaurant and you see she's looking for someone. Go up to her and say this pickup line. Then you'll see if she'll be interested in getting to know you. She'll most likely say something cheeky like, "Don't worry, I've got a ride." Hopefully she won't say that and is waiting for a boyfriend. Just make sure not to make it creepy and to give her some space if she looks like she's not interested.
Number 6. If you were a Transformer, you'd be Optimus Fine. If you're figuring out how to talk to a girl, you've got to know what she's interested in. If you're at a movie premiere for Transformers, or any kind of movie related to machines or cars, this would be the perfect pickup line to say to the girl you like. If she's a huge fan of movies like this, she'll be both impressed and happy to find a guy who likes the same things and have a great wit for creative pickup lines. Throw her a sweet smile when you say this to her so she'll feel comfortable with you. Number 5. Have you been to the doctor lately? Because you're lacking some vitamin me. If you want to understand how to get a girl's attention, you'll need to say pickup lines that she's probably never heard before. Catch her off guard with this pickup line, and you'll probably be setting up dinner with her next week. Follow up this pickup line with a quick brush of her hair onto her cheek, and all the butterflies in her stomach will go crazy. Hey, we're nearing the last part of this video, so make sure you stay tuned for our juicy little secret. At the end of this, you'll learn the number 1 thing that kills attraction. Let's go.
Number 4. We're not socks, but I think we'd make a good pair. If you want to know how to make a girl crazy for you, this pickup line can be a good start. It's cute and cheesy, but it can also make her smile. Plus, you can never go wrong with an innocent pickup line. She'll think you have the most genuine intentions with her if you say this. Compared to saying risque pickup lines, this one just screams innocence. This is the first step to making a girl like you. Maintain her good first impression of you, and she'll be head over heels for you in no time. If you need some more tips on how to make her fall for you, check out this video on how to make a girl crazy for you. Do this today.
Number 3. I'm no photographer, but I can picture us together. There are only a few good pickup lines that spark attraction, and this is one of the best. Say this when you've been talking to a girl for a while now. You'll know the right time to say it because you'll see that she's a little open and comfortable speaking to you. If you hear her talking about the future and wanting to build a serious relationship, insert this pickup line into the conversation, and she'll see you're just the guy she's looking for.
Number 2. I'll give you a kiss. If you don't like it, you can return it. Have you been dating each other for a while now and are waiting for the right time to kiss her? If you've answered yes to these questions, then this can be your ticket to the perfect kiss. Say this line when you're somewhere private and it's just the two of you. When it suddenly gets quiet, that's the best time to say this line. If you can whisper it in her ear, it would make it 100 times more romantic. She'll be telling the story of your first kiss for years. It won't only be a magical moment, but it will also be a great story to tell when you finally have a family of your own.
Number 1. Well, I'm here. What are your other 2 wishes? If she's ever talked about a genie, then this pickup line would be perfect for her. This pickup line shows your confidence and cheekiness, so I'd suggest using this when you've found a great groove with her. It would come off as too cocky if you say it at the wrong time. Make sure that you've built something with her first, so that you can say this line without worrying about how she'll react. This pickup line is also great to say when you're meeting her for a date. You'll see her waiting for you at the restaurant, then you can casually put your arm around her and say this line. It will make her face hurt from smiling, I'm sure.
Right about now, you're probably an expert at the best pickup lines that spark attraction. So now it's time to know exactly what you should be avoiding so that you don't kill that attraction you've been trying to build. The number one thing that kills attraction is saying sexually inappropriate pickup lines. Girls respond well to guys who are respectful and decent. They wouldn't want a guy who's too indecent and vulgar, especially when they're meeting him for the first time. It would make them so unbelievably uncomfortable that anything you say after it would just bury you into the ground even more. So if you want to make sure that the girl you like will be impressed with you, use any of these pickup lines that spark attraction and you will see where they can take you. Steer clear of inappropriate sexual pickup lines and you'll be good to go.
Do you know any more pickup lines that spark attraction? Comment them down below.
You're lucky enough to have stumbled upon our imaginative list of pickup lines. Not only will these help you talk to girls, but it will also get girls to fall for you that easy. For a more comprehensive guide on being more attractive to girls, check out this video, the 10 tricks that get girls to chase you fast. It should help you out.